Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Robert Barry, and if you're watching this video at any point in time, I just want to thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys for coming and checking and seeking more information as it relates to $25 one-up. Now, what I want to do here, or what I intend to accomplish in this video, is I want to show persons that are confined to their home during this whole coronavirus pandemic that is affecting the world right now. Of course, one may realize that a lot of families, a lot of persons that are out there, and they aren't able to make a steady income or an income at all for that matter. And so what I want to simply show you in this overview of $25 one-up is how you are able to, one, start a business, two, how you're able to get started with me today, and how you can go about really beginning to have multiple streams of income. And so for some persons, a multiple stream of income may be having a 9 to 5 and tapping into the online marketing industry, or it can also mean having multiple stream of income within the online marketing industry. And so I want to let you guys know, if you have a cell phone or a smart device or a laptop, you are able to make an income with the $25 one-up. When you partner with me, my link will be at the very bottom of this video. And so if you're interested in something like that, where you're able to make an income or build a home-based business from anywhere around the world, as long as you have your smart device or a laptop, you're able to make monies at home. Okay, and so like I said, I want to accomplish all of these things within this video today. And so right now you're looking at one of the capture pages that you will be sent to if you decide to click the link and partner with me. That's going to be at the very bottom of this video. And so first thing that I want to do is I want to tell you a little bit about the $25 one-up opportunity and also how you can get started. Okay, so I'm just going to go over to my $25 one-up back office so we can have a conversation really quick. I can sort of navigate you guys through inside of the back office. All right, so now guys, what you're looking at is the my $25 one-up back office. Okay, and so when you decide to partner with me, you're going to have one of these back offices as well, so you can navigate through your business. Now, when you sign up and you become a business partner of mine, I always tell you to start with this video here. Okay, when you sign, and to be able to sign up, guys, and partner with me, it's a one-time payment of $135. Okay, it's a one-time payment of $135 to be able to partner with me and come in on the platinum level. I encourage all of my teammates, all of my students, if you wish to partner with me and have all of the bonuses that comes along with partnering with me, you would need to come in on the platinum level. And so inclusive of that package, you're going to pay a $10 hosting fee that's going to go to the admin. And that $10 is to host and keep all of your daily records, the upkeeping of your back office, on all of the information that is stored on your back office. You would then go ahead and purchase the gold package, which is $25. Okay, and I always tell all of my students the gold level or the gold product is where a lot of your marketing will be based. Okay, and then you would go ahead and you would purchase the platinum level. And the platinum level teaches you, the product level teaches you how to market on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, which is very powerful. And those are the platforms that I do all of my entire marketing. Okay, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, those 3 platforms. Now, also, it is not limited to, it will also teach you basically how to market on multiple other social media sites. Okay, and so just in the past 24 hours, I was able to make $125. Okay, $125. And I'm going to show you a little bit of how successful persons are in joining this business. And also, I go into the private Facebook group that you are and are brought into when you decide to partner with me and my team at the platinum level. Okay, and as you join all of these, you will notice that the tick will turn blue. So at the time of recording this video, I am at the platinum level. Okay, so I encourage all of my teammates to come in on that level. Well, so much is given. And so once you join with me or you partner with me at the platinum level or higher, my team has a 14-day blueprint. It's over the shoulder training. You get all the tricks and the tools that we use to market our business and be successful as well. And so I would love to give you that package when you partner with me. And another very important point, as we are here, you are going for additional training when you partner with me. You are going to click on the My Account. So guys, once you go into the Meet Your Sponsor section, this is where it will bring you, and I have a lot of videos and tips and tricks, stuff that will help you navigate through your business. Okay, and it will be all of these videos that you see here. You can just click on any of these videos. Be sure to start with this video here. I give you a brief orientation. I do a brief introduction of myself and how I am able to assist you in anything that you need to do. Also, you will find a lot of my social medias here. I also leave my cell phone contact as well if you want to contact me. All of my social media is here if you ever have a question. Okay, so at this time now, I just want to go over, 1 second. Let me go over to all right, so you guys will actually see I'm not hiding anything. I am being forthcoming. Until yesterday, you'll see that I was able to make $25 yesterday, and at 12 a.m. I made another $100. In the last 30 days, I was able to make $150. My all-time is $175. Now, one thing that I would like to bring to your attention is that most of my earnings were not posted here. Sometimes we have glitches, and persons would have to send me the money is through PayPal, which you're seeing here. My monies were sent to PayPal on the system, but of course, sometimes sometimes you have glitches in the system, and so you guys are able to see that I am making money with the system. You are able to have the same success or even greater success. All of that would depend on your effort. And so at this time now, I want to go over to my Facebook page. This is my personal Facebook page, and I just want to show you guys the type of ads that we teach you, my team and I teach, for you to simplify your marketing. And so even if you're not understanding exactly what it is that I'm saying, as long as you could paste, you can copy and paste, you are qualified for joining me and partnering with us. Okay, some of the benefits that entails or goes along with this business that really caught my eye is that, number one, there are no monthly fees. Absolutely no monthly fees. So you don't have that added headache with trying to make sure you make money to sustain your business. There's no monthly fees, no pressure. Okay. Secondly, you get paid instantly. And so if somebody were to partner with you, you would have access to that money is right away. You are paid daily, okay? And this business has paid out over $1 million in paid commissions out to its members. And so in traditional online marketing businesses where the company would take a percentage, we here at $25 one up, we get full compensation. So it's 100% commission based. And that was big for me in terms of wanting to make an extra income online. Thirdly, there are multiple ways that you can be paid. You can be paid through Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, and Stripe. And any way that you choose to be paid, you are able to be paid with $25 one up. So at this time now, I want to scroll down and show you guys some of the postings that we post. And so this is a new member alert. She saw potential in the business. She wanted to partner with me, and she went ahead. And so I'm simply giving her shout outs. I'm posting a nice caption picture, and she now has positioned herself to make unlimited $125 and $100 commissions. Okay, so I want to just scroll down really quick. You guys can see the type of ads that we teach you to post. Okay, so this is a video. You guys can see. Okay, that's a video ad, so you guys can see. This is another video ad. And guys, I just was playing around. I just mastered this skill set, and skill set is a big thing within the online marketing space. You can take your skill sets to any company you wish. And so here's another ad that we teach you how to post nice, catchy, popping post ads. So as you can see, I was able to make $100 straight to my PayPal account. And guys, like I said, this is another ad, as you can see here, right? Another ad, right? So guys, as you can see, this is a business that you can build. And the one thing that I like about this business as well is that you're not building this business alone, okay? Oh, and another thing, just before I forget, we do have weekly team trainings where you guys are able to bring prospects, and we show them how they can build a business in this time of being quarantined or anytime or while they're being confined to their homes. It's really easy. And once they join, we normally have that training on Wednesdays, and on Thursday is our team training, right? So where you would be able to come in and learn right over the shoulder what exactly it is that we do to close out sales, how to pique interest, and actually go through the 14-day blueprint that we give you guys. Okay, so if you're interested in partnering with me, all of my social medias, my contacts would be at the very bottom of the video. I hope that this would have shed some light on how my team and I, Team Cash Blueprint, operates within the $25 one-up opportunity. My name is Robert Barry, and I'll see you guys on another video shortly. You guys be good. Look out for a video very soon. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you guys will get notifications whenever I do post fresh content in the very near future. My name is Robert Barry, and you guys have a blessed day.